Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've been very busy. One of my subscribers requested Russian leaf tutorial, so this is what I made. And this is what we're gonna be working on today. But I got carried away because I quite like variation of peyote that we were using for Russian leaf. So I went ahead and made a matching bracelet. That's what we're gonna work on next. And then I made bigger Russian leaf earrings, and you know, some people tend to fill them up, make it look like a leaf, but I went ahead and decided to add a cabochon, and I'm really in love. I will make a tutorial on that as well, so I decided to start with the simplest one. Here I added very simple earring hooks, but here I decided to go fancy, and look. So this is the one we're gonna work on today. From materials, you'll need one color of Delica and one color of 15-0. I'm using both Miyuki, and these are the codes. Everything will be in the description box. And you'll need a pair of earring hooks. This is what I'm using. You'll need a stop bead, beading needles, thread. I'm gonna match it to my hardware. So I'm gonna use silver, Miyuki 3. And you'll need your peyote starter. If you haven't done it before, there will be a link in the description box where I'll show you how to do it. But if you're too lazy to do that, this is basically just a peyote strip. It's just in the tutorial I not only show how to do it, but also how to use it, so it might be quite useful if you are a beginner. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread my needle with 1 meter, and then we'll get to work. We're gonna start with our stop bead. I'm gonna leave a short tail that I can sew in later, about 6 inches. Take my needle through the stop bead and do it one more time. Just make sure not to pierce the thread, otherwise you won't be able to take it off. And then here, I'm gonna take my needle through the 2 of the Delicas in here, and then we're gonna start a peyote. Pick up 1 Delica, go through the sticky out bead, 1 Delica, go through the sticky out bead, 1 Delica, 2 more, and then here we turn back, 1 Delica, back, Delica, another one, and the last one. Here, you're gonna take 150 and go back up, like so, and continue your peyote. Delica, 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 and one more. Here, you're gonna pick up 1 Delica, 150, 1 Delica, drop it down. This is what you have, and take your needle down through this first Delica, like so. Pick up a Delica and go here, and then the beads you added tend to sort themselves out here, like see, and continue your peyote. Delica, down, Delica, down, Delica, down, and then when you reach your last Delica, you're gonna turn back up with a 15-0. Pick up a 15-0, go back up, and continue your peyote. Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up, and then again pick up Delica, 15-0, Delica, drop it down, take your needle down the first Delica, pick up a Delica, then go down, and then here beads should sort themselves out. If you noticed, it's very repetitious, so you just keep going back and forth until you have 5 50-nos on the side. I'm gonna keep going with you because it's a very small project, so it won't be a very long tutorial. Pick up a 50-no, up, and continue peyote. Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up. Pick up Delica, 50-no Delica, drop it down. Take a needle down the Delica, the first one. Pick up a Delica and go down. And continue with your peyote. Very easy peasy. Now it's easy, looks easy, because you have your peyote starter. This would have been much more complicated to start with if you didn't have one. Plus, imagine holding on to, 2 rows of peyote while trying to get your project started. Here, I have this whole thing to hold on to. Didn't have to worry about it. Even though it's such a simple thing, but makes life so much easier. So pick up 50-no, back up. Delica, up. Delica, up. Delica, up. Delica, up. Pick up Delica, 50-no, Delica. Drop it down, go through the first Delica, pick up a Delica, down, pick up a Delica, and just continue with your peyote. And when you reach your last Delica, pick up a 50-no and go back up. Pick up a Delica, 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 and last Delica. Pick up Delica, 50-no Delica. Drop it down, go through the first Delica there, pick up a Delica and continue with your peyote. Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have one side of your work. Here we're gonna make a turn. So when you reach to the bottom of this row, this is where we make a small change. So now we went up, now we have to decrease to the other side. So here, pick up a Delica, go up, see, Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up, Delica, up. Here, pick up your Delica and go back down, like so. And continue. Then here, again, just a normal peyote. Up. So basically, all you do, without any increases or decreases, just add 3 rows of peyote with Delicas. That's all it is. Nothing fancy. So we have our 3 rows. And here, look, this is your standard leaf where they add 150 knot at the bottom, which is fine. But here, look, instead I added 3 and added a picot, and I think it looks much better. So that's what I'm gonna do. You can add 150 knot, or you can add 350 knot, like me, and then go down the neighbor Delica. See? And then go back up. Just the Delica. See? That's our turn pretty much done. Now flip it over. Like so. And then we continue our normal decrease and increase. We're gonna pick up 150 now. Up. And continue with your peyote. Then here pick up Delica, 50 now, Delica, drop it down, and go down the first Delica. So we're adding the increase. Pick up a Delica, continue with your peyote. And when you reach your last Delica, pick up a 50 now and go back up. See, this is creating a mirror image. Pick up Delica, up, like so. Drop it down. Go down the Delica. Pick up a Delica and continue with your peyote. And then pick up a 50 now and go back up. So keep going until you have all 5. So I just added the last 50 now here, so I'm going to continue going all the way down. And then back up with the 50 now. So I'm going to pick up a 50 now, another 50 now, another one, 2 more, this is what we have. Now I'm gonna take my needle down this 50 now, Delica, down this Delica, up the neighbor Delica, up the Delica and the 50 now. Here I'm gonna pick up 2 50 nows and then create the bridge in between. Now if you have an earring finding that doesn't open, you want to add it in between your 2 50 nows, but mine opens, so I'm just gonna add it at the end of the project. I'm gonna go down this 50 now and then pull it. Look, I'm gonna go down, up, then back through the 50 nows. And then I just have to get rid of the tail. Now I'm gonna remove the stop bead. Pull this out a bit. Then here, thread my needle. I'm gonna go ahead and add 50 rows. Pick up a 50 row, go up. Pick up a 50 row, go up. Pick up a 50 row, up. Pick up a 50 row, go up. Pick up a 50 row, go up. So they're all matchy, and then we can get rid of the tail. And now all we have to do is add our earring hook. So I'm gonna get my pliers, open this up, get this through, then close up. And then look. Which one do you like, guys? I actually quite like this chunky one. So thanks for watching, guys. All the links to the shop will be in the description box. Check out the tutorial for the peyote starter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.